Patch panel configuration. Firstly, I will introduce you the tools and equipment that you needed. Patch panel. Ethernet cable Cat6. Cable tester. Crimping tool. Punch down tool. Here, punch down the cables using punch down tool. Straight through cable is white blue blue, white green green, white orange orange, white brown brown. Straight through cable B is white blue blue, white orange, orange white green green, white brown brown. Now we are going to test it using cable tester.